Hello friend, welcome back in Windows series. Today we will learn how to install Windows 7 inside Windows 10. We will learn in this video how to run two different windows simultaneously. By simultaneously, I mean that how you will run Windows 10 and Windows 7 at a time. So first we will need a software that name is Virtual Machine or Virtual Box of Oracle, and second we will need a software that name is ISO file, of which window you are going to install inside another. So how you will download ISO file I mentioned in my first video, so you can download ISO file from there. So let me start how to install VirtualBox. So write in Google Oracle Virtual Machine. So simply click on download. So for window you will download from here. Click on download. So it will start downloads. When download completed, just open and double click on VirtualBox. Or you can also run as an administrator. So setup start. Click on next. Select yes. Click on next. Click on install. Okay, installation complete. Click on next. So virtual machine run. Now I will create. Click on new. Write name here. I'm going to write Windows 7 because I'm going to install Windows 7. So I'm going to create here for partition Windows 7. Click on next. Size. This is size of RAM which will be distributed in with virtual machine. Click on next. Click on next. Yes, select dynamic. Next, how many size you are going to give? I am going to give it 10 GB. Select the partition. So I am going to select D partition where you want. So you can create. Click on next and create. So now let me create another also here. I'm going to give it name Jarvis because I'm going to install here Jarvis window. Click on next. Yes, same as I do for Windows 7, same procedure. Click on next. Size of the file, same I'm going to give 10 GB here also. Next. Next. So created. Now click on start. From here now we will select ISO file. As I mentioned that you have to download ISO file. So now where your ISO file, select that file. Okay, now click on choose. and next. So now window will start installation. As I show in my second video how you will install um, operating system inside computer, same procedure will be follow. Here also start in Windows 7. Select the language. Select the partition and create new partition. New, apply. Click on OK. Next. Window installation start. It will take normal time of window installation. So from here you can see that the background we have Windows 10 and in VirtualBox we are going to install Windows 7. So these both windows are run simultaneously. After completing installation, VirtualBox will restart. So here now we are installing operating system without USB. Just we have ISO file in Windows 10. So we locate that file and now we are installing that file. It will take some time. Setup will continue. So give the name to your system. Create a user. Later I will give password. No thanks. Ask me later. By this window I am also going to install Jarvis operating system. So here I will select all these options. Jarvis is an AI based operating system by which we can give command to computer, or by voice we will perform different tasks from our laptop. So window completely installed and you can see Windows 7 also running in VirtualBox. So both windows run simultaneously. So you can change theme from here also. So in this video we learn about how to install two windows and how to run two windows simultaneously. So in the background we have Windows 10, in VirtualBox we have Windows 7. So thank you for watching.